Hi, I'm Dakota, and I'm here just to show you a few different ways to submit tickets to our partner support team. I know all of your lives are busy, so we're just going to dive right into it. One of the first ways to be able to submit a ticket is with this helpful help button right here. Just whenever you're having a problem, just click that button. It'll gather some information from your system and then bring you up with a ticket window to finish describing your issue and get that ticket submitted into our system. So once you click the button and it's gathered some information from your system, this is the first screen you're going to be prompted with. So you just want to make sure to fill in your name and your email address if it's not already in there. Click over to describe the issue, put in just a brief description of your problem. So in this example, we're going to say QuickBooks isn't working. So then you have a few different boxes here. If it's a recurring issue, like it's happened before, you can select that box. If it's an emergency, there's also a box for that. Or if the issue is with another device, not the device you're submitting a ticket from, you can check that box too. Also, you can define how you want to be contacted, whether you would prefer a call, an email, and you can also give us a little bit of a scope as to how widespread the issue is, whether it's just affecting you or maybe it's affecting everybody in your company, just to kind of help us prioritize your issue a little bit. And then if you click over the next step, you can just quick review your submission, give us permission to get some information from your system, or you can uncheck certain things so we don't get that information. And then finally, just confirm that you're not submitting any confidential information that you don't want saved in our system, and then just hit submit, and boom, you've submitted the ticket. That's all you have to do by clicking the help desk button. Another way that you can get to this same window, say maybe you don't have the button on your desk, or maybe you're outside of the office and you can't necessarily get to the button, your system should have this icon down here in your tray. It just is labeled help, so you can click that button and then you'll get this exact same window just as if you clicked the help desk button. The final two ways that you can submit a ticket is through email. So we have two different email addresses for that. Ticket@itpartners.com is one of them, if you just want to submit a normal ticket. Or if you need help after hours, or maybe you have a more urgent issue during business hours, if maybe all your servers just went down, you can email emergency@itpartners.com. So again, that's ticket@itpartners.com or emergency@itpartners.com. And then as soon as you send those emails, it's going to create tickets on our end and somebody will reach out to you as soon as possible. Again, I appreciate your time. This was just a quick demonstration of a few different ways to submit tickets. I'm going to let y'all get back to your day.